Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Hope everything is well with you, and I do hope that your day is going well, whatever it is that you are doing. Before I start, please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like this channel for future videos. And yeah, let's jump right into this video that I am preparing for you today. So for today's video, I am going to be talking about cleaning products that I like to use and that I use on a normal basis when I am cleaning. So we're gonna jump right into this video and let's go ahead and get started. The next product that I like to use, this also goes in the bathroom as well, and this is the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. That basically suggests what it does. It cleans your toilet, the inside of your toilet. I just pour it out underneath the rim and I let it slide down. I use the toilet brush to scrub, and this gets it nice and clean, because I like to clean my toilets more often than not because of certain issues that I do not want spreading around my house. So in sticking to the bathroom theme of cleaning, the next product that I would like to bring to your attention is this one right here. This is the Mr. Clean Mnet Clean Freak Deep Cleaning Mist. I use this as an all-purpose cleaner on my bathroom counter and bathroom sink. And I spray this all around the sink, and I take a wet cloth and I wipe it down. What I like about this bottle is the 360-degree sprayer. And the reason why I like it is because it aims exactly where you want it to go, and it wastes less products because it only sprays out a certain amount. I discovered, I know Mr. Clean existed a long time ago because I've been using Mr. Clean for a while, but I did not know that they had the 360-degree spray bottle, the sprayer. And when I saw that they had the sprayer, I said, yes, let me give this a try, and it really truly has been a lifesaver. I have not run out of as much of it as I normally do, and yeah, it's the 360-degree sprayer is a lifesaver. It goes where you want it to go. It doesn't spread anywhere else, and you only use so much of this product as you would the regular sprayer on the bottle. So yeah, this is the one that I like to use on the countertops, on the counter doors, on the doors to the cabinets, just to wipe it down and make them nice and clean and germ free. Also another all-purpose cleaner, but this one I use in the kitchen. I use this on my kitchen countertops, kitchen table, kitchen stove. Everywhere that I am in the kitchen, I use this on the kitchen cupboard, and it's one of my favorites for the kitchen. I use separate all-purpose cleaners for separate areas in the home. So the Mr. Clean one, I use it in the bathroom, but this one I use in the kitchen. And this is the Method All-Purpose Naturally Derived Surface Cleaner, and this is the pink grapefruit scent. So I definitely love this. So the next product that I am going to be talking about is for your wood furniture. Right now I have wood furniture in my house, and I like to clean those off at least about once or twice a week. And the product that I like to use for that is this right here. And this is the Pledge Extra Moisturizing Nourish and Condition, nurtures wood and enhances its natural beauty. I have been using this for years to clean. I have not used any other product other than this Pledge one because I find that it works the best in order to take care of your wood and help it keep it nice and shiny and nice and clean. Guys to see, and that is the Vileda mop spin mop bucket system. I used to use before the regular mops where you would get down, you would dip it in the water, get down, wring it out with your hands, and then you would mop the floor. I found that with that, after a while, the mop gets dirty. You cannot remove the mop. Some of them you cannot remove the mop heads to throw them in the washer. So once it gets dirty and filthy, you would have to throw out the mop. And you have to keep repurchasing and repurchasing and repurchasing. And that's what I did for years. Until one day I discovered the Vileda mop spin bucket system. So when I threw out my last mop, which was a couple of years ago, let me tell you, the next cleaning product that I like to use again to talk about again has to do with the floors. And yeah, they all have to do with the floors basically. So the next one that I use in the mop bucket is the Mr. Clean all-purpose floor cleaner. And this one, I'll have it on the screen right here because it is way too big and heavy to lift up because it's a brand new bottle, because it lasts me a lot longer. And because I use the Vileda spin bucket system, it helps me to have to use less of it to clean the floors. But I like to use the Mr. Clean all-purpose floor cleaner or here, wherever it shows up, and it cleans the floor well. Along with the Mr. Clean, I like to add bleach to the water in order to disinfect the floors. And I'll have a picture of the Clorox bleach just in case y'all don't know what that looks like, but y'all should. But I like to use the Clorox bleach along with the all-purpose floor cleaner in order to disinfect the floors from all the feet and whatever, especially in the kitchen when you're cooking. All the food is on the floor, the germs, everything that's been dropping on the floor in the kitchen, it's spread everywhere, it gets sticky everywhere. I use bleach to disinfect all of that inside the bucket as well with the all-purpose cleaner with the boiling hot water, and that for me disinfects the floor and it keeps it nice and clean at all times. And this is the very exact one that I have, but I don't want to show it to you because it's a very janked up broom edge, and it just wasn't worth showing that to you at all. But I'll have a picture on the screen right here for you guys, either on this side or this side. I'll have a picture on the screen for you guys to see exactly the same picture that I just showed you. But I find it very easy to sweep with. Again, very easy on your back because it is tall, it is not short, you're not hunching over, you're standing up straight. It helps you stay aligned when you are cleaning, and I just like the system. I like Vileda altogether. It seems to be one of my favorite cleaning supplies to clean the floors with when it comes to sweeping. That is in the area when it comes to sweeping the floors. Now, along with that, when it comes to sweeping the floors, I do not like to use the taller broom to pick up the dirt on the floor, I like to get down on my hands and knees, so again I'm not bending my back and I am not hurting myself. I get on my knees with a smaller broom, a smaller broom that you can hold, and I will put it on the screen of what I'm talking about just in case you're not aware. And then I get on my hands and knees and I sweep up the dirt like that to make it easier for my back and for my knees. So both of those together helps make sweeping and mopping the floors a breeze, and you are not putting yourself in too much danger of pulling a muscle or hurting yourself when you use that system the way that I have explained it to you just now. I'll have it listed here because I do not have any on hand right now because again it is done, but I will have it on the screen here. The next product that I like to use is Windex, and I use that obviously for my glass products, my windows. Anything that takes Windex, that's what I use a Windex for. Very simple way to use Windex is to use it for your glass products. Nothing much to say there about Windex. The next and last and final product that I like to use when I am cleaning is the Febreze air freshener. And I like to use that at the end of my cleaning because it helps to disinfect the air, take out whatever scents that were put in the air from all the cooking and all the whatever nastiness may be in the air. At the end of when the sweeping and mopping is done, when the water has dried up from the floor, which does not take very long, I use Febreze and I go all over my house and I spray that Febreze in the air to make it smell nice and refreshed and to kill any bacteria that might be lingering in the air in my home. So yeah, those are the products that I like to use when I am cleaning. If I have missed anything, please let me know down in the comments below. Maybe if you have a product that you would like for me to give a try, list those in the comments below and I will definitely try and find them if we carry them here in Canada. If not, I will probably purchase them on Amazon. And I will try them out and let you know how I like them. So if there's a product that I did not mention that you think I should try, please list it down below. And again, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget again to comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.